In this short video, I'll show you how to track invoices in Excel. For this one, we will utilize an AI assistant tool. As for me, I'll use a ChatGPT to go to your AI assistant tool and it will generate a very good prompt, something like generate an Excel file, invoice tracker, spreadsheet to monitor affiliate payouts and expenses. There you go. It should also have embedded formulas to already calculate the results. Thank you. Just enter your prompt and it should allow ChatGPT to work on the content. If everything goes well, it should be able to process the Excel file. As you can see here, it already gives you an idea of what the file will be. There we go. You'll be able to download when there's a blue text right here. Once you press it, you should be able to open it right here. There you go. It's giving you a proper template of an invoice tracker right here. Go ahead and adjust it accordingly like this. There we go. Now you know how to track invoices in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.